This sprayer technique completely changed how I build backgrounds with sprays. I think you're going to love it just as much as I do. Let's get into it. Welcome back to day 4 of 20 days of creative play. I hope you all are giving yourself permission to play. That's what these prompts are all about. Now, if you have not downloaded the free PDF, it is linked down in the description for you. So you can grab this, have it on hand. You can work at your own pace, mix it around. You can do day 20 if you want, whatever you want to do. That's the beauty of these creative prompts, but I'm just running through them for you so that you can get a little bit more inspiration. Today we are going to be brayering color. I have chosen to use sprays because it's just my thing. I don't really want to get too messy. As you can see, I've already been getting a lot pretty messy. So it says roll ink, paint, or sprays onto your panel with a brayer for smooth blended layers. All right, I am going to be using some watercolor paper, and we are going to use speckled egg, pumice stone, and stormy sky today. And I'm gonna just spritz some of this on my mat here. And I just have this little brayer. There's a lot better ones out there, but this is just the one that I got. So I'm kind of like lifting up as because if I go like this, I'm just squeegeeing that color around. So I want to kind of lightly run the brayer over that spray and then kind of lift up at the same time. I hope that makes sense. So I'm just gonna layer some light color first. So we're working lightest to darkest as always. Well, I won't say as always, but normally we would do that, right? So we're just gonna layer some of that on there. I forget how much I love doing this. I love the skibbity bits and just, I love it all. Okay. And the idea is for it not to be perfect, right? We're gonna continue to add color on top of here. Now I'm just gonna dry this real quick. And I am using the back side of the paper. This shouldn't be too wet because I'm just using the color. I'm not adding, let me see, what do I wanna add next? Yeah, I think I wanna do stormy sky next. All right, so I'm kind of lifting up as I'm rolling, and it's very light, okay? If I want a little less, then I'll just kind of brayer off a little bit. And I think I'm gonna do that, is I'm gonna put some color on there, but then brayer off a little bit onto my mat. That way I don't get it to be too much at once, right? I can build upon the color. That speckled egg, because it's so light, it didn't really matter too much, but I don't want too much dark blue. Gonna go in the center there. And as you can see, I'm going up and down from the side just to give a lot of variation. There we go. Perfect. Now I'm gonna dry this. I think I want just a little bit more of the stormy sky, just in a little couple areas here. Okay, I'm gonna brayer off that color. I'm gonna pick up whatever's on here. Now this pumice stone is, I don't know what, it's like a gray, green, I don't know even what color it would be considered, but I like it a lot. It's one of my favorite colors. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna brayer on some of that color and then kind of tap some of it off. And for this, I really want to be careful because it can get a little overpowering, okay? And because I have paint on my brayer as well, it helps with all of the the inconsistency of the brayering of the color. I think I need maybe like a different brown, I'm thinking. No, I think that's good. I like that. Let's see. That's perfect. Very easy, very simple prompt. You can use paint, you can use inks, you can even use alcohol inks if that's what you choose. But I love using the Brayer because it just gives a totally different look, and you can add as much or as little color as you want to your background, and it just turns out really cool because you get a lot of variation within the colors. But I love the look of the Brayer, and that is going to complete day 4 of 20 days of creative play. Again, if you have not gotten your free PDF, be sure to download it below, and I will catch you all for day 5.